The 2015 Ford Fusion. You can have both impressive power and great economy in a Fusion. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, backup camera, traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, one owner, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, CD player, power windows, trip computer, compass, Sirius satellite radio, brake assist, overhead console, tachometer, driver vanity mirror. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.